Welcome to Roving Vida. I recently travelled to Thailand for the first time and stayed at the 4-star Aira Hotel in Bangkok. In this video I'm going to show you why I think it's a great hotel for first timers in Bangkok, including a full hotel overview. First of all, it's located in the Sukhumvit area of Bangkok, which is one of the best places to stay for the following reasons. 1. It's in the heart of Bangkok with excellent transport links as it's so close to Sukhumvit metro station and 2 BTS stations, Nana and Asok. Nana is like a 5-minute walk, Asok is about 10 minutes, and the hotel provides a full free tuk-tuk service to both. 2. Because of the transport links and central location, it's so easy to visit popular attractions such as the Chat market, the biggest weekend market in Bangkok. Chinatown is only a short drive away. Then also you have must-see historic temples such as Wat Pho, where you have the reclining Buddha, and the iconic Golden Mount Temple, which is a bit of a trek but definitely worth it. Then also you have the Grand Palace, which is a must-see for first timers in Bangkok. And other attractions such as Icon Siam, one of the biggest malls in Bangkok, and the Jod Fair's Ramenai night market. You get the picture. Also, taxis are so cheap out here, so easy to get around, but beware, traffic can be crazy. The third reason you want to stay in Sukhumvit is for the nightlife. This includes popular spots such as Soy Cowboy and Nana Plaza, if you're looking for that crazy nightlife. And also very easy to get to other places like Khao San Road, which is a popular spot for backpackers in the city. And finally, it's also famous for its street food, restaurants and shopping that will be on your doorstep. And not to forget the huge mall, Terminal 21, which has an amazing food court. Again, this hotel offers a free tuk-tuk here. Now let's check out the 4-star Aira Hotel. This is the lobby. Aira has a modern but Thai cultural feel throughout. It's definitely not budget, but it's not super luxury either, and very affordable. We paid around £350 for 4 nights, including breakfast, so around £88 per night. You can also walk through the Starbucks on the outside to get into the lobby / the hotel. We chose the premier room, and we got a room up on the 8th floor. A big spacious room with everything you need. Loved the decor, bed was massive and comfy. Snacks and branded water bottles are additional charge, but the glass water bottles were free. The bathroom was nice and clean, and the shower was great. Obviously you'd have a choice of a range of room types, starting with the cheapest one being superior, then deluxe, then premium being this room. This was the view of our room at night, and then also the view during the day, which was absolutely stunning. Now let's check out the rest of the hotel, starting off with its own rooftop bar called Pastel. This is a great place for some evening drinks and more incredible views of Bangkok. Then if you make your way onto the 8th floor, you have the gym. The gym's fairly small, but it's got quite a lot packed into quite a small space, including many weights and exercise machines. Then just right around the corner, you can then head out and you'll find the swimming pool. The swimming pool is open quite early from like 6 AM until late, till like 10 AM. Finally, let's check out the breakfast buffet in the Kingston Lounge. This is a cozy little restaurant just around the corner from the lobby. The breakfast here is truly amazing and by far the best we had across our whole trip in Thailand. They had absolutely everything. First of all, starting with coffee machines, so you can get any kind of coffee you wanted. Then it had a range of salads, and then any kind of meats. Then you had the local Thai cuisine itself. This was like the boat noodle station where you could make your own boat noodles to the spice level that you liked. Then they had wontons or gyotas every day. Then they had roti to have with your many range of different curries. Then you had stir fry noodle here. As you can see, the green Thai curry, egg fried rice, absolutely the lot. Then we also had these free fresh cream buns every morning, or bao buns. Then you got the bread station, so you can make toast or anything you like. And then on the other side, you had then the Western, so you had your croissants, eggs, range of different eggs, fried eggs, poached eggs, boiled, bacon, sausage, hash brown, beans. Yeah, quite literally had the lot. You won't go hungry here. And also had your fresh fruits and juices. And that's the end of our hotel tour of the Aira Hotel. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and please hit the like and subscribe button if you did, as we're just getting started on our Thailand videos, with the next one about to be where to stay in Chiang Mai. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.